I'm not sure whether we're going to be able to make this turn, whether we're going to be able to get this done, but our objective is to move this dock out of the shop, not to its final destination, but to its next construction destination. Let's get started.
Now open your forks up. Lift up.
Pretty good.
Tilt. Yeah, I think you're pretty good there.
You think it'll work?
I don't know.
What I'm concerned about now is bending this. Do we need to come down to this bar?
I don't think we will. This is
Okay.
a ½ inch. I realize it's a good bit, but I don't think we got that much weight on it. You can watch from the side, make sure those forks hit. I'm under that outside, yeah.
Yeah, you're under it.
So that should take some of the stress off too. What's that popping?
The
Is that
wood,
these
your
barrels here?
are dropping. I mean,
No, something's popping that shouldn't be popping right here by the forks. Okay, I think I need to tilt the forks a little bit. I don't think I can put that much pressure on the tips of the forks out there. I'll take these in a little, tilt forward, and let's tighten those.
okay.
Because I think the forks ended up holding up too much.
Right. We need to tilt it back so it picks it up.
It just really,
Just there. The forks don't really need to do anything.
yeah. We never have come off the ground over there, have we?
I think you need to curl back.
Yeah, but I can't because my forks are already hitting the crossbars. So if I do, we're going to have to tighten up more, which is fine.
Well, so let it down.
I'll tilt more and we'll tighten up.
So what we're trying to do is we're using the tilt, and the idea is that he'll tilt it back now, and the straps with the bar up here is actually going to lift up that end, and then he can raise this end. So we've lowered it down so the forks aren't touching the wood to allow us to be able to curl it.
Is this bending?
Oh yeah,
It's bending the frame?
it's pulling it away pretty good. Yeah.
Okay, but is it bending it or is it slipping in the holes down there?
No,
or-
it's flexing it. It's flexing it really good.
What is the pop?
I- No, the pop is the wood is creaking because we got those boards. I mean, we're starting to bow this outer board. Tim, you're not lifting, you're bending your bar. Let it go.
Okay, now let's get the floor jack. Now we would have tried to use a tractor in there on that end instead of the floor jack, but we can't get a tractor in there. The other garage door is not finished over here, so it won't come up. Are you off the ground on your end?
I'm off the ground,
Okay.
mostly.
Oh.
Are we dragging over there on that barrel?
No, we're very close though. Christy, if you want to just push down on that corner a little bit. Yeah, I guess yes.
How's your top?
Top's looking good.
Top's looking good.
It's close.
Uh-oh.
Are we dragging anywhere? Seems
No,
like I
no.
hear something.
She's got it balanced out good now.
Okay, now I'm going to want you to stay with it all the way outside so that we can try to get a tractor around it somehow.
Yeah.
So there's gonna be a pretty rough.
You're doing good. We can go all the way to the edge. And I'm willing to let it drop off the edge and see what happens.
How are we doing there on that
Hang
seam?
on, hang on, hang on.
That's what I was afraid of.
There's a rock in the way. Let me get the rock out of the way. Go for it.
I don't know what that was.
I don't know what that was either. We're gonna drop.
Oh, am I almost there?
You're almost there. Dropped.
Okay, let me see if I can pull
It's
you
gonna-
a little bit.
it's
I probably
gonna
can't.
tip.
I can't do it. I can't pull you in that rock, can I?
No, the jack's about to fall off.
We would have to try to do this during a hurricane.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, Dave, so you were right on bending the top here, I think. I don't think it was up for it. Just tilt it up. We're not going to put the forks under it. We could take the forks off.
And just use the
I'm going to use these hooks.
Okay.
Okay, try picking up just your end.
Man, it's not sketchy at all.
I'm controlling the speed because you got flexibility there. You're steering. So you're going to go on the other side of the tree.
And the other, so towards the north of the tree.
North of the tree.
Okay.
And then you're going to have to try to back around there very, very slowly, so we'll be good and soaked by then. Do you think I should use a strap instead of being under it? I could do that too with these.
You got the eyelets down there, maybe, yeah. Run the strap through it.
There we go. Do you want to lift more to get over that?
Yeah, because I'm not going to be able to turn around it.
Okay.
So I'll just, yeah, I guess let's just keep going.
Oh, I just came off the edge there, so.
I think we're clear if we keep this height.
Okay, I'm finally off the concrete. The wind is picking up. Again, we have to do this during a hurricane.
That is the douche booge.
Well, circumstances. How are we doing? Are we missing that stump grinder piston?
Yes.
I'm still moving, you're still moving, right?
I'm trying to. In fact, I'm gaining on you.
Okay, well, I'll go a little faster.
But I don't have very many speed choices, to be honest. See, I've got idle, which sometimes doesn't move, and then press the gas, which sometimes moves a lot.
Well, I'm chained on, I can't come loose, but that strap could slide off.
Yeah, but I'm on by 3.5 feet, so.
Right, well, what I'm mostly watching is to see if I'm slipping off your strap.
Okay. What I'm trying to say is I keep getting further and further. Like, see, I've scooted on another couple inches.
Well, let me speed up a little bit more.
I can't help it. I'm just going whatever
You're-
speed I.
You're good. I can match whatever you can do, I just don't want to yank it off the end of you.
Well, no danger of that right now. I'm kind of glad we don't have the Ferrari on here. I don't think we want to go 0 to 60
Yeah.
anytime soon.
I think I spun the grapple out the other day with it.
Yeah, I don't know if that's the Ferrari or Dave.
And
Oops, I slipped on you more.
all right, I'm starting my turn.
Swing a little wider if you don't mind.
All right. Go straight then.
Okay, you go ahead. I'll follow. Ooh, you're gonna have to, hold on, you're hitting the wood. You're hitting the wood. You're gonna have to, see what the deal is your chain's shorter on this side and then you're turning. You see what I mean?
Right.
So let's let it all the way down. I want to give you some more slack on that chain. Hold it. Okay. Try picking up. I know it's going to pick up that side first. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're going to have to regroup, aren't we?
Yeah, are you good or I'm
No,
stopped?
I need to let it down.
Okay, I'll come down.
Okay, here we go. Oops, wrong lever chain. Hold it. Stop right there. Let's move the truck up. Proceed when ready.
I am reversing now.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick up a little bit.
Okay, I think I'm good on my end. Keep turning a little further.
I'm still turning more.
Now hold it. You're turning your wheels the wrong way. We're wanting this thing to go this way.
Right, but if I turn that way, it actually kicks that out that way.
Kicks what out what way?
So if I turn that way, that will swing that out that way. I can drop it, come back in and grab it again.
Do what you're saying. You're doing good.
You still good?
Yeah. Do you need to regroup? I'm almost where I can get. Let me put mine in parking brake here, and then I'll. Do I need to let mine down a little bit? I think you'll be all right. Okay, they're both cut slack. That should be good.
Similar to backing a trailer.
Well, I was trying to see if you could accomplish it all without unhooking, but what you did is going to be easier. Now, I'm driven forward about as much as I can be, so I think I need to regroup right now as well.
Okay.
Once we get you hooked back on. Okay, that's where I want to be, is out near the end like that.
Lifting.
Okay,
Oh boy.
that's okay. As you turn your wheel, you're going to do the same thing again, run your front end south, right?
If that's what you want me to do, I can do that.
I think I want you to do that because we got to cut it quick. Okay, straight back. Can you do straight back?
Straight back.
That's all I got.
All right, set it down.
Yep. What do you think? That work?
I think we're good. Well, all we got to do now is move the pond.
My idea is that we take the mini excavator now and we dig a channel over to here, Christy. And then we get that channel full of water here and we can float this thing right here. And that'll get the rest of the way over. You guys might be asking why we didn't take it all the way to the pond. Well, we think that doing this roof here, all this ceiling and all this structure, is not going to be easy on the pond. We just think it's going to be a lot easier to do where we can get to it. We might even back our trailer right up beside it here at some point. Do that. We haven't squared it yet, so it's still able to move in those two directions.
Yep.
We think we can put the roof on, maybe even put the deck on and put it in the pond as a last step. The roof's going to overhang the edge, and Dave and me are both, well, you're not as bad as me.
Prone to dropping things. If you watched any videos at all with us working on stuff, it's a bolt drop here, a wrench drop there, and
Yeah,
well, tools
so-
in the pond's just no fun.
Yeah, think about all the drills that I would drop in
Yes,
there,
yes,
and
yes.
so I think that would be quite a costly.
Infinitely more expensive.
Maybe we'd have to put strings on everything and tie them to her.
Floaties.
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 Speaking of floaties, this hurricane, Dave, it's messed up your hair.
Yeah, it's gonna ruin my perm.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. It will be a shelter and shade from the heat of the day and a refuge and hiding place from the storm and rain. And if you have any recommendations for a Dave, a hairstylist, let us know.
Do you have a perm?
No, I don't have a perm.
I didn't think so. In the rain.
You need a coat?
Nope. Shop's got heat. I'll dry off.